guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the Power Sisters are gonna be doing another DIY video. So we are gonna be getting a package by someone. Let me introduce you. My name is Telen, my name is Sarai, and my name is Cynthia. So I think a delivery man is here. Let's go. I'm so excited. Let me run. Oh, hello. Hello, is this Telen's house? Yes, you are the right place. 𝒔𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒎𝒂 sent you this DIY slime. She make a slime using the DIY. So yeah, here it is. Thank you, sir. Bye. Bye. Guys, we got a slime DIY. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited to make slime. And it's 3, so it's gonna be equal for you, Sarai, you, Cynthia, and me. So let's get started with this video. But first, let's read the letter. Dear Talent, this gift is from 𝒔𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒎𝒂. Please make this DIY slime using glue and other materials. Please make the slime and give a shout out to everyone. Guys, give the shout out to Gloria. She's the one who sent this DIY slime. So let's get started. Whee! I'm sitting in the middle because I'm the smallest. So guys, we're gonna get started with this video. Let's see what we got. Oh, we got this. Don't touch it, Sarai. Sarai! Sorry. Guess we still have to stand and then I have to put the things down because you are doing mischievous things. Oh, sorry. It's fine. Guys, these are awesome colors. We are gonna be making our own. OMG, this is so pretty. But I think I have to put them in. Oh my gosh, I just made one. So that one is mine. But this is so beautiful. I even made mine. OMG, this is so beautiful. Wait, how do you take these things out? Okay, just pause a bit. Okay guys, we finally took it out. So I made one slime, so I'm letting Cynthia and Sarai make theirs. I'm starting first, Sarai. Fine, Cynthia. Okay, let me put this down here. So let me mix this one and this one. Oh, sorry, Cynthia. Guys, look at my slime. Is it better? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Cynthia. Mine is pink. I got their favorite color. Talent, it's not fair. I want my favorite color. Cynthia, just appreciate what you got. Okay. Whee! Okay, so guys, let's start playing with ours. I'm gonna take out mine. Oh. Oh, look, it actually changed the shape. So good. Thank you, Gloria, for sending such a wonderful slime. And I made mine with a poop shape. No, let me try. Saraya is such a copycat. I'm not a copycat. Oopsies. Went on my face. Oopsies. Oopsies. Sarai. Let me do mine. Then Talent, can you help me? Oh, fine. Finally, I'm done. Oops. Okay. It's quite funny. guys are too childish. Let me try mine. P. Oh, it's so cute. I want to do mine into a poop shape. Oops, this is so cute. Let me try to put it on my face. Oh, so. Oh my gosh, my glasses. My glasses. Wow. Guys, this was the awesome slime video ever. Yeah, and I love Gloria's things, and I like Gloria. She sent me the nicest things ever. This is so cool. Gloria, thank you for sending us such a wonderful slime DIY. So, I think it's the end of our channel. Bye.